I'm going to 7 you. Sana man you quite on 7 no. Or just 7 former I will Liverpool Sano. Oh there be. Former man you do go see Liverpool said 7 no. Man you one more problems. Okay. Man you yes, city best Liverpool basa. Oh yes, internet announcement and very important. Now was happy birthday kasi pa en confirm Manak Mensa or no ASU Edma Sednak Music. Okay. Sednak Music and happy birthday pa and confirm Manak Mensa. Now your man so into me and conquer Liverpool are losing to Manchester City this particular morning to afternoon. Now your club be biana your to me conquer. There wouldn't be any escaping route for Liverpool this particular time against Manchester City. Medas yeki. Men so medas intino eno ya krobia Adrian no amaju akoma aba aju abotre why so wa kan dey no so kan dey nti o so be wini ana no so be lose ntino aya no afa ne sa pa solo paradise atana solo say ye be wuram na o dey fisem na ba me fa untu on me fa untu na aju dey say about dey mu say ana ye be wa no nya hu hwe.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own.
Yabutia ya kozo bia na yeze ba ni never know ye go so atinkongwa so ya de agudie musem enso tumi de ma we mraso se ye kona fe local stores no anopay ye tumi de ba na hu nsa wa horo a eno so tumi atwa agumi din na the Solo Brothers yanko Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 na wo Facebook do on my like page no na fa comment no enso egu ase e beje bracken kan afi so share ma wunu anu so enya bi en share ko YouTube eno so Okoman Radio 97.1 Honsu Dua na wa subscribe ne kama na fe atumi akoyie enso atumi e de amadwumade ni ntia no pay wuwura mu ho no mu a nya yeye na no nso be hu sa Ziggy ene John Mark ene Abanta ne de enso e de club ya Sante abeka hu bia omu na ehwe bobo adwuma no enso Facebook wonom ena no pay yenshan sam na sem enso FM free boxing issues Ghana ne Abanta ne de Isaac Dogbe nyame adomo a ene anajo ojinokun ano am enye fedi agro ewo US of A na oni Abranta ni de ede Robinson Ramirez ono every Cuba ena ede ebo eni na say Ghana fo obi e hwe nim se Abranta ni de ede Isaac Dogbe enso betumi akwakodi sankunim no na waba beka eye Azuma Nelson no mo ho se eba na Ghanaian boxer ono so ewo world title mienu ewo kromu ha no na Isaac Dogbe enso aba beka we di kan ageba akodeda WBO oduani echema bantamweight title no eno ekita no nti wo hwe anim se enesa featherweight title no so obesan so age e de ama o my Ghana no na Nelson Zuma enso etumi e de good one message e de ama Brandon e de Isaac Dogbe so wo kono onkonkobo ne homoden enso entumi emfa ema o my Ghana na fe ni oma nkoyie enso entumi emfa no na onfa title no emfemra Ghana mu ha no Mendra GBA President Abraham Kotei ono so de ne de edemano nti say Ghana for natural support enso to me de ama Isaac Dogbe say nyame adoma enne anymache entokwa obekono nkunim enso to me en confirm na ne yenkomo efiri de eba no pa yete ho enso to me de ama wo yenko association football na no so yenhwe ne efiri enso to me de eba Ghana Premier League no nyame adoma na otwe ye matches ahoro enso wo so ne mom yenhwe asem free Ghana Football Association omo de aba betugwa ese enche Futsal Premier League no enyo se beba so ewo kromu ha enti obi a wani je ho no na ese enche bia mo so mbenya mo de afa bi soccer enyo so enche Premier League enyo se beba so ewo kromu ha no mu se enti obi biara a wo so wani je bi soccer ho no enyo so eba so ewo omemu enti ye bo football eye Premier League no na bi soccer ni na so ewurawuram enyo so ewo eye Ghana yagudie no enso munte no yen hyehyɛ Ghana Football Association enso de ato hɔ no pɛ yete hɔ enso tumi de ema wɔ na uduwani akyeremo enso ɛwɔ wafu zombia ɛhɔnom ɛna enche dwumadie ɛba so ɛwɔ Ghana ha no ma ne wafu zombie women's tournament a ɛba ɛbɛba so Ghana 2023 nyame adoma 20th of May ɛna dwumadi no ɛnso ɛba bɛhyɛ ase na afei abɛwie on the 4th of June ɛnso ɛwɔ Ghana ha na Ghana under 20 ɛma no amu na ejinam enso atumi edi ama o my Ghana ahwe se niam betumi akonkan enso venue sa ebe host dwumadie no enso ye Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium and afi Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex omo any venue sa enso betumi host Wafu Zombie Women's Tournament Ghana yenso ye ba be host enso ewo krom ho anti eno enso ye reporter free Ghana Football Association akache edi eba ena no penso yetu ho enso atumi diama na wahu senia eno so eti afi yenko na yenko hwe senia na wotwe awie ye fixtures enso betumi akọ enso etumi edi afa ewo Ghana Premier League no enso yemu ena afi wudi wani enso echema Division 1 League eno so matches ahoro eya de betumi abaso nti anopai ye justice to it na onso hu senia ete yen hyase FFR Women's Premier League no nyame adomo a matches enso wo so na wotwe awie ye ewo Southern Zone no Faith Ladies ebo Police Ladies also and Hazakes Ladies Niami Ladies ebo Soccer Intellectuals ebeshia Rage City Samsung Ladies Strikers and Tender Queens bebo Berry Ladies beshia Esiam Socrates Ladies na mo so de abani Northern Zone Northern Ladies ebo Prisons Ladies Aston Ladies ebeshia Dreams Ladies Supreme Ladies and Sone Fabulous Ladies bebo na fe Tamale Super Ladies Asia Pepia Ladies bobo kono na mpem da kwa Ladies enso abo Candy Soccer Academy eno eye matches ebeba so enso ewo Women's League no enso emunti Motor Guinness Women's League ehun hyehyɛ ene ede ama yenko Access Bank Division 1 League and also matches ebeba so ewo Zone 1A say ena etia Steadfast ebeshia wa sunta ewa Liu Mama Sports Stadium Sunday 3 p.m. na sa game no enso ebeba so hina me ya stadium no wa Yasin Juniors ebeshia Kasina Nankana United and also 3 p.m. on Sunday Malik Jabez Stadium Mana FC enso ebeshia Kumbimbim FC eno 3 p.m. and sa game no enso ebetumi abaso na fe DBB United and so Asia 11 Wonders our DBB Presby Park and also your Sunday 3 p.m. and as a game no so so Zone 1B say NTM our Sunyani Coronation Park no Nami Adoma and 3 p.m. na sa game neba so Tano Buafu Aqua Ebesia Bafo Soccer Academy as also and Ochina 3 p.m. Ewo Sunyani Coronation Park no BA United and then Kwanza Warriors and so Ebebom Nana Fosu Jiabua Park watching 3 p.m. Unity FC and so Young Apostles and so ebebona febrekum Arsenals ewo Golden City Park no amonso Asia Mighty Royals boboko no and also 3 p.m. watchna and asa game no and so eba 20 matches ebeba so no yanko Zone 2 ewo Access Bank Division 1 League no Monday 22 and also fixtures no say net here Swedro Stadium Swedro All Blacks and so ebeshia Baseke Holy Stars na amonso de boy no watching 3 p.m. Asafo Ramos Park and one of them says All Stars and so better phenomenal Kimpon Football Academy and so about watching 3 p.m. na side game never basso Jemfis Park no New Dubiasi United almost ebetia Bobo Kwanide at the West African Football Academy Wafa no almost the boy no watching 3 p.m. na side game no and so basso or just so Okasia Park Asokwa Deportivo on Sunday 3 p.m. Ebeshan Zima Kotoko no almost the boy Eduya Asansan Park no Soccer Intellectuals and so the Pacific Heroes and so about Sunday 3 p.m. na sa game na so St. Martin's Park Sky FC Asia Asekem FC no mo so dia bo ni Sunday 3 p.m. and na sa game na so Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex Nations FC and so traffic na fe Omashia Future Stars no mo so dia bo ni no so so na me adoma Sunday 3 p.m. na Robert Mensah Park no Mysterious Ebusia Dwarfs and so atrafie no mo ne Elmina Sharks and so dia bo ni no so Sunday Intika National some and so to me enfema me Zone 3 say that here and so our fixtures abeba so and so mo na God FC better Tema Sports Stadium na Endra na sa game neba so many Vision FC and a boy Tema Sports Stadium and Atom Division Ebesia Kosomo Crystal Palace na mo so dia bani eno 3 p.m. na sa game na ebeba so Kpando Stadium no Kpando Heart of Lions watchina Ebesia Liberty Professionals 3 p.m. Akachi College of Education omo park Akachi All Stars Asia FC Nania na mo so dia bani 3 p.m. watchina Tema Youth Ebetra Tema Sports Stadium omo so ni Ankete United bebo eno so ebekọ so 3 p.m. Nyame adoma watchina ena sa game na ebeba so na World Sports Stadium no Volta Rangers ena etrefie atonsa enso tumede afre Golden Cakes na mo so edi abani afei Achim Old Tafo Rovers Park no Susubribi SC etrefie atonsa edi afre Koforudia Sempe na mo so edi abani no ye watchina 3 p.m. ena sa game no so ebeba so enso ewo Achim Old Tafo na Tema Sports Stadium on Monday 3 p.m. no A5 Rangers enso ebetrefie na for mo so atonsa after two mighty jet na mo so eni omo edi abani ntia no fixtures ewo home enso etumi edi ema Access Bank Division 1 League no ene anope yedi etu eni ma fe yenko na yenkwa senior Bet Power Ghana Premier League no enso betumi akọ edi afa week number 25 ena yebo chance ene ewo Dew Park na 3 p.m. na sa game no enso eba so Still Believe Dreams FC In God We Trust omo trafie nomni the Rainbow boys no edi abani Glorious Accra to folk ena bebo nyame adoma ena sa game no enso eba so enti utie dia na esebo aho enche game no enso be baso enso wo dewa go pamaso Dreams etonsa eda fry heart to folk boboko no na odi wanye enso chirem ewa Cross Sports Stadium eno so be baso ene Accra Lions enso ni King Faisa ena bebo enti eno so kaina shanenso enfema me watching matches no enso enie Accra Sports Stadium 3 p.m. Great Olympics Ebesia Brekum Chelsea boboko no na omonso de abani afi Campark we enyina ase Karela United enso trafie nomne FC Samates 1996 enso tumie de abani anu beba so 3 p.m. ewo Dew nyame adoma watchina Kotoku Royals from Achimudan enso trafie na afi omoni minuano Midiama enso tumie de abani anu beba so 3 p.m. na afi Nanajman Bedu Stadium ewo Doma Eduana FC enso trafie watchina 3 p.m. Asia Tamale Cities na monso ni omo de abani Nana Kramansan Park awano monso enanso Atreman FC enso besia Bechem United 3 p.m. on Sunday ena sa game no enso ebeba so na fe Kumasi Baba Nyara Sports Stadium no 6 p.m. watchina Asante Kotoko Asia Real Tamale United RTU na monso edi abani na de bibi anase bibiani Dance Park no Go Stars on Monday 3 p.m. almost Asia Legon Cities boboko into where your fixtures ewo ho enso etumi ediema Ghana Premier League anopa yeto ho ediema yedisi nemom yedisi no na me adumu CAF Champions League no matches ahuro enso beba so enne na Atletico Petros enso trafie 4 p.m. ene AS Vita Club abo na fe Ali enso 7 p.m. ene omushia Ahila boboko no na Mamelodi Sundowns and also 7 p.m. Omni Cotton Sport and so bebo na afe 10 p.m. no odi wani enso chema with that and so atrafie na omni JS Kabiri and so abo Etoile de Tunis and so ebesia boboku a nyidi de Baluadat na mo so de abani into where your fixtures awo ho and so tumi de ma CAF Champions League no matches ebeba so ena yebegina no so na ye de nsam na season sem command bebre and so we chira ye ba bedi and so tumi de amount midisi na fe eke enso som na abedwafo asen ato aso ye na ata chire yebedi nkomo enso tumi de amount.
All right, into Pastor Paradise and a name so no area system no and so no to me area brand Ghana Premier League Bet Power Premier League and then matches do na and so ebekoso ewo Ghana 2 matches na to but attention no and then nyina ejinem ewo Dew Theater of Dreams na say Dreams FC and so ebetena fiaton nsa area for heart to folk no so no to me ade abo ani a big game papa and then we be to draw so na and Accra Lions betena fi on kan no so abo echina matches aka no and so rem Asante Koroko and so any RTU ebebo ninya games na what ye and so ebekoso ewo Ghana Premier League ni mu ayeyi ana ayeyi 94 years asa anti adwa wurama Ghana Premier League na di mu nkomo efama me na miwi ameto aso se tomo na ebrebem na etom so a na yesi akwa Oman no sakodi nkomo hawodo no e de fro ba menke tievo se former Dreams FC player Isa Yakubu onu se the charity game afibia ode eba no e obodwe ase na fie bekoso anti na brepem ye be hwe se nsa be campaign for from Isa Yakubu Foundation. No musi any oma din komo yes we ni Isa Yakubu Foundation charity game na ahwe players and you know omo ba be si akan na say anu odin papa players no ekuku dampa ani players and you know Isa Yakubu nso atonsa and so at me area afre na Dreams FC goalkeeper Kumsin ojiram sanso na ani oku wurama abranti ani din and so no ade Isa Ibrahim of Dreams FC on so be wuram sanso na Habib Mohammed formerly of Asante Koroko and Dreams on so eberam Vincent Atenga our media ma on so be wuram na ku giram asi akan sanso na ene abranti ani din ade Roave abranti akoto so you wo kan no madam for akoto formerly of Dreams FC anokwa din ba ko na yeden odeden ade dey akoto yeden no kwa afko nya wan ko bobi sanso na Precious Boa and so be wuram ono so na wom e Esperance de Tunis ana afi no anu yaketwa Collins Boa Junior ono so be wuram na akosi akan ni bi sanso na Maxwell Atamo enyina players omo be wuram na akosi akan ye Isa Yakubu Foundation charity game no be koso obogi ase date no ba ebrepem ye be tudwam e dey ama adwo wuram Ghana Premier League me say definitely we ka brekum Chelsea asem
let me even start from there. Because Brekum Chelsea, we are playing Accra Great Olympics, Accra Sports Stadium, Ochna, which is Sunday, 3 p.m. kickoff. That's match week 25 in Olympics. In the Olympics went to lose 3-0 all the way Tama. Yes, so you're drawing Adriana. Both teams, BBI league log, no see an injury. Brekum Chelsea, the Abutai say, top 4. And see, baby, I do her dear. Last minute, he was here a year and I mean him say, coach and the technical team no, with the boys and the captain, as usual, they would make it count, say, top 4 in the AB room. And Eki, I bring the phone, make catch will be a say, player of the month, the normal thing we do. Buffalo in a player of the month. Again, we have 3 nominees, which are contesting for that month. One is Yao Dakwa. We have Edwin Akuffo and Kwesi Freven. These are the 3 nominees. Ombe we need the month of February. Buffalo and a player of the month will Brekum Chelsea.
Bakunebe winning.
Yes. Okay. Bakunebe winning. So it's after the game at the Brekum Chelsea. Accra Sports Stadium. And Yabe awarded this game. Let me touch on Hatofuk Dreams.
Dreams Hatofuk.
Hatofuk Dreams, yeah, because
Dreams Hatofuk.
So Dreams is hosting, yeah. Omumi any day, they be Nancy said Dreams. Omo Hatofuk pa even.
Yeah, Nancy crowd
but just Omoba Accra Sports Stadium. The first time was when the FA Cup when Dreams won. Last season I was there. It was a draw game. Into this season, so dear, but Senna Hatofuk, Cecilia. When it gets to second half, they be asked,
last season at Salim, I said,
last minute, you know.
Okay. But last 2 seasons, now we show 2-0 Hano. This is show 2-0. Okay. So a player no Mobi, Ali.
Ali, so support.
Asa.
Sanya man now we are no jayo.
Asa some no credit.
Season, and yes,
this season was.
You are on your own.
Now,
say I may say. Hatofuk no, if you want to face them, so send that team no assessor no. So when to me and show me within first half, also kind who say a bad second half. If you are not careful no, Hatofuk be show. 9 minutes so obey to me a show and obey to me equalize it. Until when you want to win against the phobia boys no, you have to make sure and score them well during the first half. Oba Kokwasa sana oba fine football. Just na Accra Lions ne Kotoku yeah fine football sa last minute there. As for Guni omo yesa they will score because they say you know I say they really want to compete for the trophy. Adriana Star say na you hu omo no go for say and we catch them say Adriana Star it doesn't look like they really want the trophy.
It's very in their last 4 matches.
It doesn't look like I'm so surprised. because they looked like they were in a comfortable lead. I find Ametia saying if you're in a comfortable lead, no, it's not safe. And see, Akropong there, to me, I'm sure they are contending for the trophy. And see, today's game there, it's gonna be tough. But me gonna draw. That's Dreams FC. So I'm hearing who they are. The draw.
Dreams lose, so baby, over drop ya.
And then asem no. It's one hearing who they are, and it will be a draw for them. And I think that's what I want to touch on.
Too much is now.
Yeah, too much is now. So and I draw into.
Okay, the be draw to crowd can hold Sir Tom but yanko the lad. Okay, Sir Tom my yanko man so na yanko tin komo we mfio yani Dreams FC media officer ending komo Delali ono awa man so na ene no ending komo senior anope ma Akuapem from Okoman radio so.
Me just so.
Na bibia boko.
Nyamiadum ho ya na so.
Nyamiadum bibia kama. Boy mo ene Dreams FC mo tena fie ene Akropong at me abo. Team no so far so good na ombo no at saying.
Well, I think they be amekase no matter the game you are playing, you know. Also they be ready because whether house or Bekum Chelsea or Legon City, so at the end of the day na 3 points now Benya. So in as much as the opponent appears to be a bit tougher, we are prepared and you know as a team there. Much there when India and we have to treat it as important as every game. As a club, we are ready and we are prepared for us.
Okay. And against Akropong, you say whenever you are playing Akropong, dewa munya results on the last two seasons, we show 2-0 last season. On the ball 2-2. This time around, at the end I'm share him say mobile against Akropong.
Pastor, I just have Babium because the
normally Akropong about the namuni or mobile. I had no results on them. I call Eddie Mamo last 2 seasons say Busha 2-0 last season on the ball 2-2. And then yeah share him say most mobile etia Akropong.
Well, I think now yeah, like you're asking me say yeah anyhow what the results yeah. I think it's been on and off, I should admit, but Usha in the last 2 matches anyhow Sabono away from home it's been good. Yeah, you sure more in the league 2-2 and in the FA Cup we managed to beat them 1-0. And if you check our performance here against Hasa Dewa, it has not been really that bad, you know. And for us, you treat every game as it comes. So I mean, you might be good at last 2 seasons, but the most important thing is this season and what is in front of you. So for us, we know that it's going to be a tough game. We admit that it's not going to be an easy game for everybody. But we will do everything possible to make sure that we show up and give the performance that fans in any bedroom, you know. Because this season, at least we are one of the teams that have been able to get good results against the 2 clubs, which is Kotoko and Haas. And you know, that's what we are doing. We are trying everything possible to get the results today, and I am confident that the team will be able to do that.
Okay, in your situation at the same Dreams FC, name him say Jenny Boateng, we pra Sansona, Ali, so no, out. Other players a call on national assignments. Almost what we do in your situation, and Sani Ama we are saying.
Well, I think when it comes to injury, player unavailable, and the agent in Boateng because of the injury he had. And sometimes it's always good to say player pra ubenya to Boateng and why then. Because at the end of the day, there's more in front of the career than risking the player. And see agent in pen on your run. But social black Meteors players no more national team now. You would all admit say only on the ball Accra, you know, on the ball Kumasi, so they were in Ghana. So their last game they featured into they are also available in camp. When it comes to starting 11, I will coach in instant. But when it comes to injury, so there's Jenny Boateng who is not in the matchday squad.
Okay, I see now. Get in 70 get fee no. Amanfo so mu prices na saying.
Okay, I think so. Okay, say Kotokono the same prices, which is we use 20, 30, and then 50 cities. We want everybody to be able to come and watch. So any amount you'll be able to get your price and also come and watch the game. We are using the same pricing as a Kumasi Asante Kotoko game. We realized that people were happy with the pricing it was moderate enough for everybody to get a chance to watch the game. They are just repeating the same pricing, so nothing different. It will be about share. That is the same pricing that they are using.
Okay. Now I media for no be na bi kasa we the omo hu say mu issue communicate be say for accreditation and also want to say that saying.
Yeah, because the timing was very close. So share your call midweek now and we decided that our colleague media said you guys should come with your press accreditation and then the accreditation as GFA. So when you come, you just come with us at the gate. I am going to be around, and then we'll be able to that. You will always make sure that everybody is comfortable. It's not really a big deal. We want everybody to come. It's just that we only have has and Kwana mobile, but at least more there.
They be about mobile home be about.
But someone come with a mobile, but they come in Kano town. But I'm expecting everybody to come. I just as I told you, we are using the GFS accreditation, so everybody should show up with that, and then we all be fine.
Okay, and the kura my favorite kura na makai. Media. I'm found to any national so far my media stand. Most of media stand. It's a media form kwana set now. 1, enkonya aya yeni enough. 2, oba unse encrophobia sabi omunye media for. Oma betena ho na sabi o cigarette omonom wia omonum guya so saade no senior no kura ne nyame anim ha adwen papa ye besere mo mundu udwuma emfa maye why as the edu ba bi intimidation wo ye nyina
but me we there say asema working o de bia hu me de o si de bia ba de
now be me ka won from me won
and I say me person be ka won from me but who can share me that. Until once I won't cancel.
I feel na maji amaso.
Oh, share me now I cancel me say oh the lami problem dey so you need na na ejuma but I can't. I wouldn't have any idea about it. Until what can me be hu ejuma. Why?
Me nim say mo de mboye, say mo de you say ya da makoma so mboye ama na efe papa. Almost all kan ho but mbo mo nya to po ase kakra. Na team sheet na na Amanfo say delay. I na delay amonya ntem.
Team sheet match. O dey problem na.
Senior. All right, senior. Na fam ye na say you sorry pay e beba na ya be sha na face no come out on ye didi free o. Ye da say no pay.
Match.
All right, and the Lali, I know media officer at my Dreams FC and then so that's it and carry chim say and then one more corner yes wa be kono ye nyina ye ko dew tie 20 cedis 30 cedis and 50 cedis we have 4 now no Black Star crowd dey 70 we 50 30 20 and mo na say Amanfo nko park and ya te so crowd dey amamu 20 30 50 into nay we 20 ubenya baby atena 30 ubenya baby atena 50 ubenya baby atena afi wa enjoy Dreams FC and ya to folk game no and so ho enti and so no ye free wa na say bibia dem satom we wuram ade amame na ya to aso ye free wo
league ni mu ayede pa
league ni de Ghana afi mu ayede
first to 17th ni mu ayede pa 6 year obi antimi mobi ti say first year na obi pese oje trophy kra na obi abo ama no obi pese ko relegation kra na obi abo ama no
Tatom kawasa men fi adwa be kawa men
first na bi bob
men vi no ya chi team mebre wa Ghana Tatom kawasa men you has go in highlight na kawasa Tatom men fi kawasa
Dreams ne has kill or to be killed Dreams lose match we are like obeba down obeba relegation has so match when a has beat me I renew ne like the season has to me share and match now has a chance to obey league you know I'm not seeing Adriana winning the league your Adriana team abi bobomo obubu lebumo mu na the entire no winning league ma
Sato mesero na makwa homa no so aba na ya beto aso yensaka Kwame Oparado ono oye PRO edemato folk bobo kono na yene ndi nkomo ne omumbra na omone Dreams FC game no and so senior no pay ebe mo akwa ba da ba epue mantemu di titiri ene Akuapem ha Okoman radio so impom ye boko okay hearts of folk you say na money dreams FC a big game ebrebi am bepiem wa na ano odin e de mamo so far ahombo no eti say dem hearts of folk team no
you me that I'm say we started preparing for this particular assignment right after Wednesday's victory over Accra Lions. We had some few days in preparing. What I can say is that everybody is in high spirits. We are taking a selection to represent the team in Indiana. They know the responsibility that it will be a bon home against Canada. When they do the talking on the pitch, it doesn't glory to the club.
Any injury situations that is saying players been and I'm miss out from the game.
Well, Awako is still not fully fit. We are hoping that he will start training, and we also know that Joseph Fesol, because of yellow card accumulation, and also any idea of everybody's matching. But the rest of the players that travel together with the team, everybody is in good condition.
Okay, all right. Then say no your players no. And on team now ni me say ni ma be do amomo na nkwanso amuko stadium ana.
There be an Andrew Stadium.
Oh, okay.
And team manager na pre-match. After we really pre-match now, we are getting back to the team hotel.
Oh, okay. All right. Name sa mbo aguswa enesa. Na league no say sani akoye no I say mwetumi age anesa had to folk mubachi league afi.
Well, our focus remains the same, that we take it match after match. We are not here just to participate because we want to make up the numbers. We are here to fight for whatever there is to fight for.
Okay, let's focus on and one on target and so and mamu. Nano dana ye bisa say coach I am teach no sense to say o de to ye nu say one gasa personally un say that nim baby o ebi e personally one baby a coach no.
Well, I can't speak anything like personally because even though when I speak to you say personally, either you, when I say you, I mean the station or some other person will go and quote it. So it will not be any personal again.
Okay.
So I don't speak when anything is personal. I only have personal life with my family. So what I can say is that, yes, he's still the side of the team. Coach Okulu is the one that is handling affairs now. For such a time, say, my advice, that they will also come back to us with another advice again.
Okay, all right. Nice. I don't know. Supporters in the best say coach just so but watch him come and so dia mai. And you better say when you didn't come you say we are 3 p.m. when you be our studio now was supporter to folk now supporters aka no etimi ba e na catch at folk supporters e work Akuapem.
Well, all over, we thank them for their support so far. We are hoping that Peru is not far from the capital city where we have lots of all our supporters. We are hoping that by 3 o'clock they'll be here to support the team so that they come back home. We go back with some positive news.
And you grab mobile supporters no omagemo fell so to folk supporters omagemo amamu baby brain so bianom a chere mu niam anu so kakra.
Well, everywhere we go, we have always had good relation with our supporters, good coordination, and we are thankful to them as well for receiving us well.
All right, senior, Anopeme and us is on your dinkomo. All right, and Kwame Operado, on your public relations officer, and Marto Folk, and on so what's it, Nenka, and so so Tom, no one who so remember.
And then matching the killed or to be killed because Dreams lose Kim or have that relegation line. And a has also shake Kim has beat Magic League. Adriana's set we are on Premier League in there. Me who so many abre because then time go first Sakamo Abibo Bomo or match Cranom lose home. Boss now home match Cranom lose. And a mediama stands baby here almost beat Magic League. Mediama of 40 points. And I made Yama half what it takes to go to Africa. Takwa Mines for be sponsor
and then you come museum stadium on baby.
It's almost over 40 points. Almost Jina baby come pa baby Jane. But in the house is shed ya baby has Jane. You has 3 matches. I say a move form a chain Kotoko. 3 matches. Kotoko media match no Lucian. And I ha Kotoko pa.
So to me no. I will to me now conversation. Okay. I mean, call Henry Warner. Henry soon run Ghana Premier League. I can't do it. What I can say? I don't know. And then more also said I want to say I'm also. And see, I don't know. Senior, Ramway Ghana Premier League. And then the China matches are Ebasono.
Yes. Nana wish Ghana Premier League games Ebasoa. I believe so far it seems teams no be answer Daniel ready. Say up so to me Angel League, you know, because also wish even the lives of Accra Lions more we have Bechem United more omu to me enya akwanya aben so maybe take the first spot but we share Adriana Stars share second round yes compared to the first round no utumi say no the best team in the first round but the second round we answer I think say performance in the most of away games you know are a problem and we all know say Adriana is very strong Nana Ajimabedu Park but as at now so no still eguso air struggle honum inti midide say has of folk ene bem Kumasi Asante Kotoko so I a little bit disappointed with the results are almost enya. So for me, I believe say the GPL, we had the standard as you see, you know, Ababedua for me, we had the points build up from Obi or that first, ever pim even Tima or no that be 8 and Obi our chance, say Obi to me league, you know, and from 8 to 18, you know, so no. Teams are almost likely so meet me relegation. So on the points build up performance, you know, and my name is a league, you know, very competitive. But you see, one thing is how the structure of your league, you know, is etia. And on sometimes now you raise a whole lot of concern. Now you pay the competitiveness. Say at the end of the day, you know, Amanfo on your predictions, name. Now, House of Folk Ebadeu, and you could see, say, Dreams are one of the teams are now no almost 8 House of Folk year pa. And Osha almost 3 previous games are almost to me abona has a struggle. So beat me and your win. I quite remember it says somewhere around 2020 more and almost share Dreams 1-0 ewa. And apart from that, you know, to me being results are a bit to me secure the 3 points. And I strongly believe say game more than and even Osha first leg of course so ever Cross Sports Stadium now. I will say and yes our red card ne be muna. And totally House of Folk elusus our game no.
Sina bacho mami kwa umano sombra na yemeto aso. Mami kwa umano so na fi many coordinator Erma Isa Yakubu Foundation ending komo oni se na meka no the charity game no enche beba so bodu ase na sketches ana dodo na efre no. Abanya no pe mami akwa ba Enfambra Eastern Region Okoman Radio so.
Mejomo so bia ho ye de.
Nyame ado bia ho ye sound so ho ye. Okay, boy, enimisa na coordinator Barima Isa Yakubu Foundation ni titiri and charity game enche ebetu dwano. So far niama te saying.
Isa Yakubu Charity Foundation yeso ya dama se mo fe na mo bisa ye de ko. Ya toto nyama preparations akoso egususo ekoso. Me kum kakra ya be program on 4th June 2023 ewo awotu bojiase mfanfo awotu bojiase mfanfo ewo 4th June 2023 this year here.
Okay, na yenim say bring do aya mo invite professional players mo be see akan na ade a few players be na eba
ya no kra afi susa players eba on se si osina kama S Baffin Côte d'Ivoire into the honum cra players ebeba afi na honum so teams ni binim honum so players ebeka nwa ba na Ghana hanum so Premier League players no ebe mu beba na national team players no so no ye ni ebi mu kasa national team players no omo so ebinim beba aba witness game no say na waka na afi so no ye dey a whole lot of new players but our mobile national teams be more premier, both Ghana and outside Ghana.
Foundation no ade titiri pa na moye yenu se foundations bi wa momu te se omo charity game yo mbo boys kan wi a omo de akọ orphanage and so omo de akọ support project bi ni ade momo de na target ni de awen.
That's it. Yeah, foundation you said that new one target bia, let's say for example foundation now baby say bia orphanage. We last 2 years I think we chair emrafono no a omanyi no penifo no the old age for no 60 plus going for no chair omade and ya chair teams crampo young teams coast teams and under 12 under 14 for no and also ya chair bi no made and this year there no and ya say ya be call orphanages na ya ko cha there yangasa ya boy ya honda and out of the game no so no achedi ya yebenya no so no and so ya de beka ho na ya de akọ orphanage ya hwe so say ya beko bobia say polyclinic na no so ya akọ yo ma do ya kakra nti no 2 places way and I hwe for now.
Okay. Enu se bere wom June de ekwan wom ta ombo ano ebesi yanso ebekọ so no madi enkomo from time to time na ya hu se ne a niama no so ekofa nti no you say Isa bedu ana se onyamae
Isabeba ending of May. No, Isabeba ending of May and Isabeba. But in the team no I am your coordinator no. Ya toto nyama bia bebre ya toto nyama ya hihye bibia ono so bibi o ma no so am ya so ate na ya ye nti preparation ne dia ya ye nti ono no beba de na ya almost 1995 of the preparation no by ending of May na ye wie.
Okay, yerim se obedu so ono ne bebo anan na afin so ma be pie mu ewo eye studio na yedi nkomo na amanipa nso ahu dwumadi sonko a Isa Yakubu Foundation so eye
edamase oba ye de ne beba na afi ya to aso bebia ya na yakodu ye wie a na afi na obi ehu say ye wie but me sure say be do on podi na ye wie bibia because we are almost more than half done. See edamase.
All right, sketches na pay me na asese oni edi nkomo.
Mr. Medamase, Okoman Radio, Medamase.
All right. And you know, sketches ono a coordinator Adama Isa Yakubu a foundation charity gamer and Chebeba so send out here no si June mo and you know ebe koso ye ewutu bojo ase ehona sa charity game and so by the nyina be ko ya ko support ye nua Isa Yakubu ono a former player Adama Dreams FC ono so no Black Meteors we wuram and ya local black say abubo bia ne ade you know yes sir jumedi ase ye ko support ye nya no bia na Crystal Atwi ya eni say bi owu ya kura no ya nya no ball asem ne ye ka ne foundation jumedi ya no ye charity ni amani bia na enti ye nua ye yen support no na eno so no enkonkan enti senior na anu gu so a oye ya
yes Nameka has the dreams game no well I think say has ade ba ko a home experience wo hwe players na omo ebobo and wo hwe wo mo transition to attack a problem ewo ho has of folk enshedanya a very key strikers are omo very clinical ewo anim ho eno na home and mostly so we has of folk previous coaches no mo bani na obi afo say that has been the main problem at team no FM but me who kwan omo fa so a omo pese omo to me rectify such situation when you have strikers bit size Mensa mo Kojo BG mo we hwe intangi your buy so a to me say the way I on be position whenever say maybe the midfielders not build the attack a problem and football as a striker no I was say position one of your key attributes and no I feel say has to folk one more strikers no and of course sometimes no say we share the level players no have messy chances but playing at Dew and Edney coach BT say Abdul Karim Zito one of the coaches ono nim has bonim kotokobo on big teams nearby very difficult say obetumi ahye just easily and what the boys now most of dreams players now omo very youth very energetic but I think say with the absence of Ajeni Boateng, it may affect Dreams here because he has been the top scorer for them this season and one of the key and instrumental player for Dreams this season. And now Branton needs a game and you need such players in such games. And to me, for say, and also one of the factors are a bit me affect Dreams FC. But going forward, where House of Folk they have the pedigree. Anytime be on it team be airborne because of needing to a favorite. But now I think say football is played on a follow play. And game way me only say draw game. Game near basso de uno and a draw game. But say win be womu there. I believe say Dreams FC ever slightly advantage. Say obey to me winning this game. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ever against RTU. Na Kotoko supporters no sometimes no munya betray. I said it. Say yebeshe season yes. And we share the project between us and Kotoko na. And yes, Ghana League Akwa League bia. Obi abetumi atra baby a predict here. Anka I can tell you for sure say ene has na Kotoko anka onwatwemu ekọ omanim. But say antisa trend na sesa. Those players now has na Kotoko ekura no equal players to all the teams that are almost well in the Premier League. And wo hwe teams bia na many di omo ho Adriana Stars, Brekum Chelsea and na Ash Good eka ho. These are teams that want to keep more players. And to wish in terms of more consistency in player, na bibia den eko many. But Adriana second round the Oma very disappointing amami. And yes sir, and by this time Omo ye the Omo come many. And to Kumasi Asante Kotoko airball against RTU last game Olusuye to Mediama. And to Kotoko supporters no say they have a chance, even though some money can fight our outstanding game. No, one more our chance say, "Omo yiromo hoa, or me to me winning." But per the performance has no Kotoko denedi. Now we share one more matches acadome and no. I bet to differ say these teams one way to me winning league. No credit ever cope where performance has any Kotoko denedi. Kotoko crowd na way performance na nyekra. Enti say if somebody to me step up our second round way there, well I think say somebody to me abwa no be say as a teams in the Adrian so America Africa and a big problem. But I think say Sania Etieno where they na win leg now better Obeko Africa. But going forward I think say was here to near me Kotoko our greater chance to win the game against RTU. We shouldn't forget what happened last season. But I think say a different ball game altogether. If only say Kotoko per se omutumi a contested for the league. I think say this particular game it depends. And Washa because of the point build up ninti we need bako to me pejao ema oko enim ulusunso anawo eko wechi. Enti Kumasi Asante Kotoko I think say some of the players now to me are returning and Kotoko too is having the same problem I has for AFC in terms of goal scoring. Oya Kotoko they have very good players. Osha Infenge, Osha Steve Makwela mo wamo they are very good on the ball. But say ombe to me ashano akwa another problem ama womo. And if say now Gazelle able to me are working on those players me for so man on bet me then aye adwuma ama Kotoko one team they have very good midfielders almost so my there now wings no so aye adwuma enti ade aka and say Kotoko will make good use of chances and not any problem at my team and Abrantie Mohamed Alassan oba Kotoko defense onom no we to me stabilize o kakra wo hwe Sharif Mohammed ma eno mu gina Mubarak mo na mo ebo ekire wonom no and Augustine na Japan mo omo ye den omo eye adwuma Kotoko I was say omutumi very consistent but tomorrow game need here I think say Kotoko have the upper hand so be winning against RTU enti Eriko na we have game na baso na baso na there now to say you better wish all the teams very well. The best of luck and when him say bagana ha me has a folk fan and he heard him say no the favor will come on our side not at least go ye win akoye to me and we need about draw cry I think say it will be okay for the team.
Okay and Henry Kofiasa Junior Ken Vibro need no so bagana ha on has a folk fan so a fan or Yusuf or you the word fan nti I know so I don't know I do say Kotoko fan Aha, nti ano so I don't know. But Brekum Chelsea PR and you know. I mean go Facebook, I mean can message kakana pass along so any we na yankwa o ma so na nkomo no India or na Facebook for na somebody oko you know. Nana Kofi Free, I say very impressive. Keep up the good work. Watching you live. Samson a Starboy the apa. I say watching the show live and clear at Akropong Mem Airport. Champion Kelvin more fire. Liverpool will shock Man City today. Greetings to Yasma. Oyibo Boateng tactics man and my lovely father. No joke. I do a message you there. Starboy. I say Liverpool will shock Man City today. That's I don't know. Juati ano to be my name is near the my so much Honorable Abedi Kwada so Okoman I say from Dr. Abedi Kwada so aka police in the room. Good morning, champion host. Come today at Etihad Stadium. We the Liverpoolians will shock Man City by 3-1. And I wish my phobia boys all the best of luck in Dow. Hi to Reverend Eric Akropong-Akuapem of Akropong CAC. Mahami Soja of Kwadaso and Benito of TKB Microcredit Services at Bosein. On Sunday, the other, but how much on? Kwejo Bafo de about say fire brand. Ken Vibro keep up the fire burning. Need your dear about say Man City should watch out for the 7-0 defeat from their city rivals. Man United still Liverpool. On Sunday, the other, but there's Look, man, Muhammad, I say history in the making. Nah, my name history requirements on it has for now. And you Liverpool and it has. Dear Nana, just say, yeah. You know, send a guy, no, Liverpool. I'm going to say me, I'm going to say crying. And you know, Liverpool, Ashabako, Man City, NTA. Until Liverpool 1, Man City 0. So far, about 18 minutes. Liverpool 1, Man City 0. Go, can't see a brand the Mohamed Salah Gali. I don't know about go no nti I don't know solo Roma e fama me na Mr. Adwai din na go na about who that about the time yeah sound there
we game that say ma minchi na minchi atiefo na fa ahwefo ehwe on Facebook minchi omonso na me radio papa so o me send fa so idie minchi ono so o ya heavy pa Henry Kofi Asare Junior
say I'm Brazil to you cash out into no abede abro won say
so my brother won say je o kwa na mboto mo so ya makakra
na do who vice president America
and the member na ba so say e na wa besra so wa e ke mesha say from Kotoko e bo against RTU and we game no obi be ka say e dentema santo Kotoko yes. Anytime I could be out to you know, I won't find it difficult to score them. We are out to you or to me Baba Bayara ever bought 3-2 a favor Kotoko there, but or she goes or about 2-1 or she go edit Kotoko. Anytime on Baba Bayara no Kotoko e carry day no, but they are on Benya go our game with him. And why this is in Sukumasa Santo performance? Game beyond Beboyam consider Kotoko. Club last season, they consider goals endorse one league them. But this season, no, actually, no man said uncle ye. Never broke as Mohamed Al Hassan by no, man, no. Yes, but still now, understanding between Mo Sharif and Mo Hassan and my. And you say, someone never be see. And answer Maxolaji man so returning from injury ebano or be partner Mo Arasa I will defense because we are Sherifa or only more Arasa body but understanding in ye Juma Okotokachiro and then them piano still now Gusu concede it creating soon you confirm Muhammad Arasa by but Umugusu concede and we lose ye diama na ko bia mso ko be we need that game no man for ball menim no man to me about compete Adriana stars because Adriana no ankasa no almost na say drop here no mo drop here there ba why Kotoko lusu e di mediama oko Legon Cities e work esan Legon Cities e ko ball 1-1 draw and ko performance na ankasa no so share down ko ye last season trophy akɔkɔgye yɛ no ɔmo points no dodoɔ ɛwɔ away but this season kɔkɔ ɔmo away matches na ɔmo bɔ no ɔmo nhyɛ dan nyaade efie no kura na ɛba 6 p.m. no ɛna ɔmo hyɛ da ɛyɛ ade nansɛn
ɛda 3 p.m.
3 p.m. no kura na nhyɛ dan fa
6 p.m. media man na 6 now
na 6 na ɔmo lusu yɛ ba ɔbɔ Kotoku ɔhyɛ no Accra Lions ɔhyɛ no ɔbɛ sɛ mekyerɛ 6 p.m. matches 6 p.m. na akɔ yie no mtumi hyɛ by about ɔmo 3 p.m. no na nhyɛ dan fa ɛkɔ performance compared to last season ɛwɔ fam ɛyɛ me wɔn sɛ Seydou Zebo ɔmo apam no and mene management a elidi kɔkɔ team no ɛnya dream baako say sɛ ɔmo kɔ akɔfa coach sɛ wayi Oguma efiri hɔ anasa wɔde mefam sɛ Oguma ankasa kɔ because of the resignation letter by ɔkɔ na wopɛ coach na wasi ya compete league no as ya defend ya so ko fa say Zebo and the management na ambo team no performance enen team ni wo mu no management na ambo a and ochiro mo against RTU that game they must win for Santa Kotoko and 3 points no ebeko the Makotoko team no okay ma memma Dreams How to Folk Dreams FC the last time about How to Folk e wo baba the park no has be about 2-2 and wo hwe omontemu a be 13 matches o ma no How to Folk win 6 Dreams win 3-4 aye draw ti How to Folk Asia Dreams otumi Dreams ba wo be hia no dawa and ya has ebre but last season oba benya better results e wo ho no nya 2-2 e de ye ko ye over this season Dreams FC so e trafie big teams no olusu di mediana o winning against Kotoko and the performance no apeja after so olusu di mediana no o he vema omo de be ball Kotoko game no now he okwan omo foul so e ball Kotoko game no e winning by 2-0 na say e no de be wura game no enne e dey How to Folk has bebre Dreams kita coach and the performance no osro eba the tactics a what ase yan transforming players onim se ne aye no coach Karim Zito and then over domo as a return aba beka no into the nim dia no so ba be support Karim Zito no mo dey ahwe game no but How to Folk problem no benya ne se Eric so any midfield the man has problem has benya because grass na wako mo enti yeso so ama mfifo no esubontenum e na be body aba has se Dreams FC
Linda ewo
Linda Ntanji so
ana ai
Suraj Seydou
so
aba Free Matthias aba
ana foreigner ai everything say
Ntanji say omo use no more defense near you
say be ya say Caleb
but ono so equally good Ntanji so betumi abo Medford no
since obebo e bia Caleb ne your friend is saying
Caleb fi akire we be has
so be gina akire wo on je bia Caleb ne Zakaria I don't know Zakaria nso dey wasa Salifu Ibrahim so betuma drop into bia obebo Ntanji Ntanji bebo that Eric eso road no now about Linda ne your friend is saying say na kan no e bia Suraja na say Linda ne Salisu no about Salisu we started Suraj from bench you know so nya problem onya creativity and then say I mean Salisu be ma Salifu be ma that creativity
but say Dreams so eko say omokobo Collins boy minim so betumi available
Collins boy be available
yes
so let me mama announce for like we na to so na brain call 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 0205818748 0205818748 0551667755 0270191991 Evangelist Aye Adnak at the about say hi say great show great panelists and great discussion. And also, Nadia, what to me, area about solo to us, mommy.
It's a Collins Boabo, no boss Semban Swa. Oh, you against Kotoko, no sab guys, muni, and the year demand the man.
Collins Boa, Apia Makati. Your friends are the Makati.
Akuffo
Makati. Maybe you are the
Semba Beckham. That's all you sue Michel Sapon. And so alliance next one.
Aholu up front.
Yes.
Maybe also the day Ishmael.
Oh, the day Ishmael no more. Now second half no, or the that young chap no, almost about Ishima. Hard to folk. Ebe break akra. Michel him say in the game no. Ebe call the dreams FC because position of dreams dano. Omu remu relegation. And no here omu area wa there by 28. We Kotoku Royals every more no what 20. Omo maka ina 28. And this and then so some drop here. No more maka no so we need enyan draw. We need enyan draw. Yeah, 10 de ba. Eba be that last training and a bit difficult the ama club and the dream says say ombe to me from tea. Make sure him say ombenya win no. And so to me e wo no. Na Brekum Chelsea. Okay, Man City ate omo kan.
Semi kan.
Man City ate. Brekum Chelsea kobo. Mo na ma kra na ebo.
Brekum Chelsea.
On the Olympics.
Oh,
Akra Sports Stadium. Sa game no Olympics be win. Yes. Olympics performance no sheda.
So that was it.
10 games, when you 3 points.
Olympics. Yes. And you know mo did any Breneba game win.
No, na wani abra Brekum Chelsea.
Obo home Olympics ibo home.
It's Brekum so ba Accra yade.
Yes, o yade, but this time around now no that after the game what your assistant coach you know great Olympics assistant coach Niyama. Also we tacticians and mugu Olympics team ni.
And now we do baby omo.
And only Obi Bismarck Mensa omo ye adwuma no.
Tactician we do baby yeah.
And they almost that relegation the same thing.
Okay, so
and that game no so bad then the ama Brekum Chelsea yes adwawa ha na make am back.
Say na wo wa so we still Liverpool
Brekum Chelsea. Olympics ebenya 3 points no. Me hu ne sa.
Okay. I know Barcelona Paradise. Nidia no because rewa ha asomeba nti ma me kama no pado na ye de besi yakwa bre na so bare yakwa adwo abechi obi ne akọ say chi obi ne akọ
yeah was me chia
Man City omo bo omo say 1-1
say ne na Man City wan ball Liverpool de be 1-1
one thing so look I say Olympics so say be Brekum Chelsea one thing
if you have Haaland and away you know why not
Haaland and Bobby
Mamin chia AK. We have friends, which I love. Sisters. It's not necessarily say it will be few mommy and son of
our friends like family.
Yeah, family. And there are 4. Baku free US aba. Na girls. Girls and a share. Hey. It's one share I'll vanish.
We see our base back when I was
aye. T make you Juan. Mrs. Badagbo, Michia Gloria.
And also on your Mrs.
Oh, your Mrs. And also, Madame for phone, I Mrs.
Mrs.
Minkwana, Minya Mrs. Some me perasta man, worry.
And you go
and see Gloria, Michia Gloria, Michia, and you, and Juan. Okay. Catch on some meba. And it's been great having them as family for all these years, over 50 years. Wow. We've been together, and I appreciate it. I'll urge all Brekum Chelsea supporters to say, Ombeba Sports Stadium against Great Olympics, because Boafa in a group of companies, you know, Ombe award the Player of the Month in T. Obiambra.
All right, I know I draw Eddie. Say Tom, Chubi Nankwe.
I was Michia Sela Goody or Kumasi or Hey Life.
Okay. Kumasi for the Chuni Zoma Jaffa Kura. Wakura. Senior Channel Kwe. Na solo the Obi channel, yeah, no channel. Senior Solo.
I'm at the Department channel. So much, yeah. I mean, she bound to win football center for more though. Matches in the check weekend, we are near matches. No tea, open baby papa, and so I shall now. When you had games no one, bound to win football center. Jabulani, Pachanga, and Affair, Busiani, Minchio Munina, and so a war. Na young country in Pennyfua, work we up in my say. Clubs never work we up in man, almost bread, and the pitch. Omo bre ene page omo si so akan enti omo support wom ukwa du kroma ye wo teams wo Oba dewa you were right to play academy with the Oba Ebruwa Ozo Academy. Omukra de baby omu train kra de mebo.
Akropong Ofie Royals.
Ofie Royals we Akropong. Aden omu support to na no ada Ozo Academy. Honorable Dambotwe where you sika so omu register for division 3. Me bisa say he no mbebo ball. Omu register omu ko ball. Baby omu be train kro mu ni.
Omu go so Ebru Park.
Every park ni yewie ye. You go so dia grass. Baby boys need training kura. Uko hu a next week Monday ko ye the videos ni beba. Mo bo. Nti penifo ni mu omo clubs na we do ayi Akuapem ha.
How dey we penyi e ka wa sema ma akoma mra soro na nka. But pa senior gia na ko. Ya dey adwuma sha on sa ye na ye ni ye. Wo ye ni ye be ka wa ye ni ye be ka. Ba mo fan bon. Ye chia mu nyina honorable so no.
Eastern region and Kasa
stadium cry ni bi.
Omo ni interest. Now could you believe say a whole Premier League team na only venue just oko somewhere Cape Coast game.
Na pay for yo MPs Eastern region kama na makamu abom e push say stadium beba obi ho.
They don't have interest in football. That's the reality.
You be ko fiasa you be ko tournament abasa.
Mami chia kwadwo ba afọ atu ayene.
Okay.
Mami chia no na mi chia Heart of Folk supporters no na afin so all Barcelona fans nyina na mami chia mo ene ewie.
Okay. And you know ya kwa no zigi mesra na odi ya to sawa na maye na me wofa so aba me wofa si minchia no na minchia me wish happy birthday na me ko. And you know anu kan di no cry dey me wofa si fu e omo doso se wofa ncheda ntwenti no me ncheda ehun omo din ni sa but happy birthday confirm Kesia Adwoa Amponsah Addi. Kesia Adwoa Amponsah Addi ene birthday Adwoa nyamisha papa na onye Kesia se na wunyi na your 10th birthday. It's a happy birthday Kesia Adwoa Amponsah Addi. O maame Genevieve Addi arafe o papa Daniel Akuffo Addi. Omo say omo we so happy birthday. It's Adwoa happy birthday enko emfa emma. Edebesi ameboa Adwoa ebeba na emu channel past 6:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. on a partial morning sports on the updates are all no in the Ghana Premier League and Fins Europe and so ebeba na second confirm executive producer ya Kofi Anton Bafo na Kofi Okoriajiman Pasolo Paradise Samson Azigi ni Donzi Kobi Asante Adwoa Pokuya onam se Tomzi Samson na Henry Kofi Asare Junior King the Vibro and so no pass it through what's in papa Mommy's joint na Saturday Zigi una abehu una we mommy aba Abraham abade na say weekend di Saturday wa no bia kwa didi mutu na se ndem nim say Zigi dia ntia no me nka wasem sa so na abetie kokonte white mensa no anu so Adwoa Pokuya anu so ne dia solo nso no enso no epebem fufuo no ana Bella afa banku no ntia say adwuma mu ade anuane no bia afa me de me pe na me ni bi mama ye na jollof na no ya mabe dipa nti mommy's joint inchia ene anope akosia no so no akosia michia oda so ewa adwumam fitiano na Adwoa na say uje pa na wanhwe so anye na chinchin a saa nti no akosia arafe wa michia Bella spring roll me say Bella o spring roll me saka nti no me ba be me tasty me disa fine Adwoa me ye kwa ne me yiba kwa ma wa ka hwe ba ko pe nti no na abenya so na oni me hwe da awere nti no na abenya nti Bella spring roll Bella ba michia no pe papa na spring rolls in the day ezo di bibire general manager no kahwe na no so fat taste pa nti no anope amincha Bella so nyambo a Adwoa ebehia mutum